After a Christmas weekend out in Idaho with my sister and them. And yesterday I got back on the new steering box. Can you see it? Can you see it? I don't know. Anyway, it's in there. Can I see it? There we go. Anyway, got the new ball joint puller. That worked amazing. Super easy to do. The instructions in other videos I watched said that I needed to take out the gas tank and the spare tire. Well, I did not. I don't know why. Anyway, it went in, came out, went back in. I'll just go get this finished up. And tomorrow, New Year's Day, because I'm old and I don't party no more, I'm going to go pick up another Squareback. I don't know what I'm going to do with that one yet, but I'm going to pick it up tomorrow. Okay, so I got it all on. Went pretty okay. Had tie rods were same issue of just spinning all the time. I went to double check everything before I go take it in to get an alignment. Dang, I'm all disheveled. And I'm going to go to Aero Alignment in Las Vegas because so far they're just the best. I don't care how much it costs to do that. But I was tightening up this boy on the ball joint because it was wiggly and it went from righty-tighty to righty-loosey. So I need to go pick up another one, longer, and put a bolt on the other side to sandwich it in there because I am not buying a new spindle yet. Well, back from Do It Best, I got some options. Let's get them put in. Alright, got her together. Going for a little test rip. See if she's still sketchy at 55-ish miles an hour. We will see. Well, 55 still good. I'd call it a success. Ready for the show. I just need some sound deadening inside here, and I'll be 100%. I am happy with the outcome. Now we'll go pick up another one tomorrow. Figure out what we're gonna do with that one. So just got back from the there she be hanging out. And I know I gotta go get an alignment done, and they're gonna ask. I got 103 miles. I use my Speedo app, and you know it keeps track of all your miles and everything. So I got 103 miles on it so far. I will call and get an appointment for an alignment, and then I can start on the interior and crap. Until then, I got that other Squareback home. Cut up a little bit more than I would have liked. Got a little happy with the sawzalls. I kind of was planning to make a soft top Baja Type 3 out of it. I think that would have been pretty cool, a little four-seater job. But anyway, all the suspension parts are good and together, so I'll just pop all that off. 4 more wheels. Do a different color or something. You know, I can swap up Veronica from time to time. So, yeah, I'll just pull all the suspension bits off, and I'll have extras laying around or for sale, whatever. Learn how to take the body off when I do Veronica. Thanks for watching.